Yo, what's up everybody? I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend and a wonderful holiday. Just wanted to tap in for a minute on this short video and just talk about a nice little exercise that you can do that I think is going to really help you guys raise the level of your art. And what I'm talking about is working on simplifying facial expressions. It's a lot of videos on it. My man Ethan Becker, he's probably got one of the best videos out. Definitely check that one out because yeah, he goes really into depth with it. The basic concept is that all you're doing is that we're referencing real life human faces and we're just simplifying the face down as best we can. And you're also referencing animator art, animation art, your favorite artists, and you're looking at how they accomplish the process of simplifying the face down. So how do you do that? Well, of course, we're going to go to our old friend Pinterest, which is the treasure trove of everything. And on Pinterest, you'll find examples of animators who are breaking down faces, and you'll find plenty of real life photo reference faces to work from. What you want to do is you want to find the most expressive photo reference face, and then utilizing what you're studying from the animators, you want to then break that face down as simply as possible. Of course, you're going to do it in your style and all that type of thing, just like I did it in my style. And when you do that, what you're going to find is that you're learning how to quickly break down a face, how to simplify the face, but also to really nail complex facial expressions with as few lines as possible. So just do this on your free time, for 10-15 minutes here every day for the month, in your sketchbook or in Photoshop or whatever, and just break down faces and work on the most expressive facial expressions that you can. So that's kind of what I've been working on. That's what I love for you guys to work on. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it the big thumbs up, like and share all over the internet. The likes, you know what they do for the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You want to get in touch with me, Twitter, Instagram at DKG72. DavidGoin72 is the Facebook fan page, and the TikTok. Want to support? We got Patreon, DKG72 Comics, and I have affiliate links for all of my coloring books, graphic novels, all that good stuff in the description below. I gotta go cook some food now. I'ma holler at y'all later. Hope you guys have a great holiday. Peace.